and welcome to Tarot Tuesdays. Welcome, beautiful souls, to Tarot Tuesdays on Magickally Living, where we delve into the mystical world of tarot readings and beyond. I'm Rainbow Winds, your guide through this enchanting journey of self-discovery and spiritual illumination. With over 3 decades of experience in reading tarot, oracle, and angel cards, I'm thrilled to share my knowledge and insights with you in our 3-part mini-series dedicated to unraveling the secrets of the tarot. As we embark on this magical voyage together, be sure to join me for Magical Mondays on the Magickally Living podcast, where we explore all things mystical, and stay tuned for DIY Thursdays, where we'll craft magical tools and spells to enhance our lives. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the mystical wonders we'll uncover, and be the first to experience the magic that awaits. With love and light, Rainbow Winds. Tarot is a form of divination that uses a deck of cards typically consisting of 78 cards. Each card has its own imagery, symbolism, and meaning. The deck is divided into 2 main sections: the Major Arcana, consisting of 22 cards representing significant life events and archetypal energies, and the Minor Arcana, consisting of 56 cards divided into 4 suits, usually cups, pentacles, swords, and wands, representing everyday experiences and challenges. Tarot readings involve a reader, often called a tarot reader or tarot practitioner, interpreting the cards drawn by a querent, the person seeking the reading. The interpretation is based on the symbolism of the cards, their position in the spread, the layout of cards drawn, and the reader's intuition. Tarot readings can be used for gaining insights into various aspects of life, such as love, career, spirituality, and personal growth. While some people believe that tarot readings can offer guidance and insight into future events, others see tarot as a tool for self-reflection and introspection, helping individuals gain clarity and understanding about their current situations and potential paths forward. Tarot has a rich history and has been used for centuries as a tool for spiritual growth, psychological exploration, and entertainment. The history of tarot is complex and somewhat shrouded in mystery, with its origins dating back to the 15th century in Europe. While there are various theories about the exact origins of tarot cards, the earliest documented evidence of their existence comes from Italy. The exact origins of tarot are unclear, but the earliest known tarot decks originated in Italy during the 15th century. The oldest surviving tarot decks, such as the Visconti Sforza deck and the Tarot de Marseille, date back to this period. Playing cards. Initially, tarot cards were used primarily for playing games, similar to modern playing cards. The original tarot deck, known as the tarocchi or tarocco, consisted of 4 suits: cups, swords, coins, and batons, and a set of additional cards known as trumps or triumphs. Over time, tarot cards became associated with mysticism, esotericism, and the occult. This transformation likely began in the 18th century, with the publication of books linking tarot cards to Kabbalah, astrology, and other occult practices. By the 19th century, tarot cards were being used for divination and fortune-telling purposes. This was partly influenced by the rise of spiritualism and the popularity of occult practices during this time. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, interest in tarot experienced a revival, particularly among occultists and esoteric groups. This period saw the creation of new tarot decks, such as the Rider-Waite-Smith deck, which became one of the most influential and widely used tarot decks in the English-speaking world. In the 20th and 21st centuries, tarot has continued to evolve, with new decks being created and new interpretations of the cards. Today, tarot cards are used for a variety of purposes, including divination, meditation, self-reflection, and spiritual growth. While some people approach tarot from a purely psychological or symbolic perspective, others believe in its ability to tap into spiritual energies and provide guidance from the universe. Reading tarot cards involves a combination of intuition, symbolism, interpretation, and understanding the basic structure of the tarot deck. Choose a tarot deck that resonates with you. There are many different decks available, each with its own artwork and symbolism. Popular choices include the Rider-Waite-Smith deck, the Thoth deck, and various modern decks with unique themes. Take time to familiarize yourself with the cards in your chosen deck. Study the imagery, symbolism, and meanings of each card. You can use books, online resources, or your own intuition to interpret the cards. Shuffle the tarot cards while focusing on your question or intention. You can shuffle them in any way that feels comfortable to you, such as overhand shuffling or riffle shuffling. There are many different tarot spreads you can use, ranging from simple 3-card spreads to more complex layouts. Choose a spread that suits your question or intention. Some common spreads include the Past, Present, Future spread, the Celtic Cross spread, and the Yes/No spread. Once you've drawn your cards, begin interpreting them based on their individual meanings, their positions in the spread, and your intuition. Pay attention to the imagery on the cards, any symbols or colors that stand out to you, and the overall message conveyed by the cards in relation to your question. Tarot reading is as much about intuition as it is about symbolism and interpretation. Trust your gut feelings and inner guidance as you interpret the cards. Your intuition will often provide valuable insights that may not be immediately apparent from the cards themselves. Like any skill, tarot reading improves with practice. Take time to practice reading tarot cards regularly, experimenting with different spreads, techniques, and interpretations. The more you practice, the more confident and intuitive you'll become as a tarot reader. After completing a tarot reading, take time to reflect on the insights gained and how they relate to your life or situation. Journaling about your readings can be a helpful way to deepen your understanding and track your progress as a tarot reader. Remember that tarot reading is a personal and subjective practice, and there's no one right way to read tarot cards. Trust yourself, stay open to the messages of the cards, and approach tarot reading with curiosity and respect. With practice, patience, and an open heart, you can develop your skills as a tarot reader and unlock the transformative potential of this ancient divinatory art. Join us next week as we continue the tarot journey. Lots of love, Rainbow Wins. Magically Living is a space to help you elevate your energy, thoughts, and life, helping turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Life is too short for normal. Jump out of the matrix and into your manifest life. Join us weekly for podcast, coming in March, Tarot Tuesdays. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any great content. Lots of love, Rainbow Wins. Be good to yourself, you are worth it.